Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am your younger brother Ayatullah. Today, 25 August is our blood day. A day when we remember the suffering, loss and displacement of the Rohingya people. It has been 9 years since we were forced to flee our home. We are still living in refugee camp in Bangladesh, hoping for peace, dignity, justice, and a safe future. We respectfully call on the international community to support justice, protect Rohingya rights, and help create the condition for the safe, voluntary, and dignified return of the Rohingya to our homeland. Justice for the Rohingya. Hope for our future. We will never forget our genocide day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.